Hi, I'm Amar and welcome back to Analytics with Amar, where we simplify analytics for everyone. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on content that turns analytics into your superpower. Today, we are deep diving into the SQL String Function. Whether you are a data pro or just starting, this function will save your hours of manual work and make your reports more insightful. So we are going to learn about the uppercase concatenation of two string and substring and replacing the string with another string and counting the string length. So first let's talk about the basics. String function allows you to manipulate the text data in ways never imagined. From formatting the names to extracting the key details, this function are bread and butter text based analytics. In Zoho Analytics, you can use this directly your custom queries or calculate these fields. So first I am going to calculate the using the uppercase. So this is my sample data. I am going to open the new query table, deleting the old one. So in the sales table, you see invoice number. In invoice number, there is a one code called INV-042. Here, some places INV come as a small letter and some places it's come as a capital letter. So we are going to make the all places as a capital letter. Okay, so I'm writing that query, select star from sales table, just executing. So everything comes like this. Now I'm going to print use the keyword called upper in bracket itself, which column we are going to use. Invoice number and replace with the something called INV number. So we cannot give the same column name for new column. So now executed, go to the last, you see all the places name has been replaced. This is a simple transformation and very effective one. Understood? And second thing we are going to learn about the first name and last name concatenation. In nowadays all the data set has been first name and last name has been separately. So this is the most wanted function in all the query table, all the data set. So I'm just going to enter the comma, then using the concat keyword, so first name and comma, for first name and last name in between we need a small space, so we have to capture the space in single quotation. Now I'm going to enter the last name. I renaming as a full name. That's all. Now I'm going to click the execute query. You will see AK Enterprises ACD solution. Come into the AK Enterprises ACD solution, AK Enterprises, just like concatenated. Now every name looks clean and professional for perfect dashboard. So this is the most important query. In the query itself, we will use the case if statement in future. Next, we are going to learn about the substring. Substring means, now you see we have an invoice number. It's having the INV hyphen 043. So this INV is the common for all the record. So I don't want that INV. I just want the numbers only. So how we will print that number? We have a substring function. So just use the substring keyword. Which column we are going to apply? Invoice number. Put a comma. Here we have to enter the string place. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In fifth place itself we need, right? So I'm going to type the fifth. If you want to between the some character, then you have to enter the end character like a 8 or something. But this case we don't need. We have only starting place, no need to end the place, end the place. So I'm just printing the as a invoice code. Let's execute the query. You see the code only coming, right? That's all. This is the case we'll use to for identifying the unique invoices or joining the two table. So it will be very useful for substring. Another one is we are going to use the replace. The replace will be used in most of places. So here the simple logic, use the keyword replace. Which column we are going to use? Now here what I am doing, I am replacing the INV as a bill. So instead of putting INV, we are going to use the bill. This also very simple. Just select the column name invoice number and which keyword you are going to replace INV. Replace with bill. So as renaming the column name as a bill number. That's all. It will be replaced. But some places it's not coming, right? Bill number is coming as a INB. Some places it's replaced because here we are used to the uppercase INB, right? So it only replacing the where are the uppercase coming into the invoice number, that things only. Here is the one exercise for all of you. Just use the case function for replacing all the things. If it is cache sensitive or not, using the case function, use two scenarios when using the when and replace with the bill number for all places. Now we are going to use the mobile number validation. In India, we have a 10 numbers for the mobile number, right? Here you see some places we have 11 numbers. So we are going to calculate as a invalid. If it is valid number, then okay. More than 10 or below 10, we have to use invalid in the separate column. So here we have to select, use the case statement. If you want to use if also, you can use. I'm just using the case length. Which column going to use? Mobile number. Type column name. Then equal to 10. If it is 10 means valid, right? So we have to give the value into the single column. Else invalid. Right. So I'm going to end the case statement and replacing with the phone validation. Phone number validation. That's all. So you see, scrolling right side towards valid. The last second one has been not valid, invalid. So I'm going to check the mobile number. Its content 11 digit. That's all. String function can be heavy, but always test on the smaller data when you are applying to the larger data. So this is the main thing. Add the comments for better collaboration with your team. If you have any doubt in Zoho Analytics, just ping me into the email. String function are your secret weapon for the clean and actionable data. Remember, it's not about working hard, it's about working smart. If you love this video, click the like button and share with your team. And don't forget to subscribe for more analytics tips. Until the next time, keep analyzing the data and keep growing. This is Amar signing off from the Analytics with Amar. See you in the next one. Thank you.